Pro Forex Trader Secrets. Tips for long-term success. Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wondered what separates professional Forex traders from beginners, you're about to uncover the secrets to long-term trading success. Becoming a consistently profitable trader isn't just about strategies, it's about discipline, mindset, and mastering the fundamentals of the market. In this video, we'll share insider tips and proven techniques that pro traders use to stay ahead in the Forex market. The importance of a trading plan. Pro traders never rely on luck, they follow a well-defined trading plan. We'll show you how to create one that includes clear entry and exit criteria, risk management rules, and realistic goals. Protecting your capital is key to staying in the game long-term. Learn how pro traders use techniques like position sizing, stop-loss orders, and risk-reward ratios to minimize losses and maximize profits. Trading psychology plays a massive role in success. We'll discuss how to stay disciplined, overcome emotions like fear and greed, and stick to your strategy even during tough market conditions. Continuous learning and adaptation. Markets are always changing, and so should your skills. Discover how pro traders stay updated on market trends, refine their strategies, and learn from their mistakes to continuously improve. Success doesn't happen overnight. We'll explain why patience and consistency are crucial for building a strong trading career and how to focus on long-term gains instead of short-term wins. If you're ready to trade like a pro, the first step is partnering with a trusted Forex broker that offers top-notch tools, tight spreads, and reliable execution. Use the link in the description or pinned comment to open an account with a highly rated broker today. A good broker ensures you have the best resources and support to achieve your trading goals. If this video helped you, don't forget to checkmark like this video to support the channel. Checkmark subscribe for more in-depth trading tips, strategies, and market insights. Checkmark share this video with other traders looking to improve their skills. Got questions or insights of your own? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and help you on your trading journey. Start your journey to becoming a professional Forex trader today. Open your account now using the link below, and take the first step toward long-term trading success. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and trade like a pro.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.